Is anyone else's cat, like, obsessed with their ice maker? I guarantee he's gonna come running as soon as I do this. See what I mean? What are you doing? Carrot! What is so fascinating about it? Huh? And then he just goes into bread loaf mode for like 5 minutes waiting for me to use it again. And then he just sits and looks at the refrigerator. He also comes and sits there randomly throughout the day. It makes me think he's either waiting for ice to drop or there's something living under my refrigerator. I don't know.